Today I show you how easy it is to use and play sound files in a Windows Forms app. In this small example we create a soundboard layout where we can play different sound files. I speed up the creation to get faster to the code section. Feel free to create your own layout. We just need a button to play the sound. After the UI is ready and we generated for each button the click event handler we can create for every sound file own sound player. We can use the sound file from our resources where we place the button pictures in each sound file. Now we can use the different sounds in the needed event. Just use the play method and we can test our small tool. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.